So I want to talk about startups and obviously the investors. This is the side that what's most important to us. So today we're going to discuss just this. On the startup side, there's so many different points that they need to accomplish to actually succeed. And from the investor side, they are scared of risking their money. They want their money to obviously make more money for them. And I'm going to tell you about some of the difficulties that they both experience, and I would love to hear from you guys what you guys think. And if you guys experiencing this, please put it in the comments and follow us as well. So as a startup, a startup's trying to produce and to get their business out there. And as an entrepreneur, it's so difficult to get hit over the head over and over and over again, and then not be able to grow your business up because there's not enough money, or you just cannot run. That's how businesses fail. Very high statistics of so many failures out there. And then from the investor side, they try to invest as much as they can to take as much profits, but they're trying to lower their risk to invest in the wrong companies. So just on that point, you need to understand that the companies that are raising capital, because of the space we're in and because of so many bad cats in the space, I've been around these guys and really terrible guys trying to scam people and take money out of them, pump and dump schemes, never ever they take investors' money and then they go out partying, networking, if I'd say. Then they might even look at not developing their project and using the finances for other means. And at the end, they're using investors' money. So investors are actually very, very cautious right now, especially in a bear market. Because why? They need to hold on tight to what they have, but they want to actually get their project or the investment into the projects to make them more money, because they're tired of losing money. And these bad apples, if I would say, gives a bad connotation to projects just like yours. So it makes it 10 times more difficult. Now, before it could be that they would invest into just an idea and a concept. Well, now investors want the proof of concept. They want this actual roadmap of this project. They want to invest into the team, making sure that you guys have a good team, making sure the project can actually be developed, and how to actually get this investment from them. It's so difficult because they're so skeptical from you guys. I mean, anybody would think so. Why would you give your hard-earned money to someone you don't know, you do not trust, and they're going to fail or they've got a likelihood of failing? And with all of this bad connotations that come with this space, where you get like bad founders and CEOs stealing money and doing things that are uncalled for, rug pulls, pump and dump, just taking investors' money and not actually carrying out their projects at all. So they're very cautious in that instance. I don't blame them. And then for the startup, you're going to have 10 times more difficulties, because how do you actually come out with an MVP? How do you actually get a project to a point where an investor would invest? It takes a lot of hard work, a lot of failures, a lot of, you need money to actually keep the lights on. I mean, just to pay yourself a salary, or not even pay yourself a salary. How much burn rate do you have? How far can you run without, there's no money left? What do you do? So all of this negative pressure is built up on startups and entrepreneurs every single day. We have to keep in the right mindset. We have to keep pushing through the negativity, through the space. Obviously, there's a lot of, right now, most investors are not investing. Why? Because they're scared of losing their money, right? So they're very cautious. The teams that they're investing in they need to be very, on point, if I'd say. And sometimes you might have all of the boxes ticked, but still not raise capital. So it's a very tough market right now. We've been speaking to investors all around and still nothing. They're still saying, hey, we're holding on because it's a bear market. We're looking to deploy capital after this bear market is run through. And the projects they've invested in, those are the projects they're trying to hold on or revive. So this is very, very, very important for us right now. As a startup, as an investor, as an entrepreneur, any part of this industry that you're playing a role inside, you need to understand the problems that's happening and still push through. Obviously, through the negativity, through the noise, you still need to push and keep on producing. So thank you guys for joining TPL. I'm going to give you more of this insights on projects and insights on startups, insights on different ways, mediums of how we're working, and what you can do when things are difficult, because that's why 3PL is here. We want to try and give you the knowledge, give you the understanding of what we're doing, and how can you succeed in this bear market? How can you succeed in this trying times? I mean, what do you need to do to actually break through and actually raise capital? What do you need to do to actually get the attention of a startup, get the attention of a VC? And what are the difficulties so that you're going to experience in the space? I'm going to document this every single way. So if you guys want more information, you want to get in touch, please like, share, subscribe, comment, give us a thumbs up, and follow us, subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care. See you guys in the next video.